BNP Paribas Daniel Morris on the lookout for opportunities following the latest vaccine developments, writing the following. Markets are evaluating how far the vaccine reflation can go. While the situation is clearly not going to improve immediately, look for any dips in vaccine beneficiaries as buying opportunities. Given the medium outlook, it's much more positive now. I'll clear my voice and bring in Dan Morris. Dan, excuse me, sir. Why so constructive?
Well, I think back to how the market has reacted over the last couple of months. We've heard this story about the supposed disconnect between equity markets and the real economy. And this was before we either had the election result or we had the vaccine news. So to be surprised now that markets are still going higher when on the margin things are more optimistic than they were a month ago shouldn't surprise us too much. I mean, certainly in the near term, it's going to be a hard winter. I don't think anyone is anticipating much better at this point, but we've had a huge step change with the announcement of the availability of the vaccine. I mean, we've had discussions since all of this started. Would a vaccine be feasible, and would it be this year? Would it be next year? Or more pessimistic views, or it would be even further out into the future. So we've gotten over that first hurdle that we can get a vaccine in the relative near term. Now, of course, we have to discuss efficacy and delivery and everything else. But that first hurdle was huge. And so the markets are thinking further out, which is what they're supposed to do, and saying 6 months from now, things are going to be better.
So, Dan, my question would be, why not have that cyclical position and sell the rallies? Why buy the dips? Why just not sell the rallies? Because what we've seen is just a series of head fakes again and again when this rotation starts to emerge. Why is this different?
Well, I guess we're trying to look at investment opportunities with a longer-term horizon, so we're not trying to trade every swing in the market. And if I take a position today and I want to hold that position, say, for 6 months, if my view is the market's going to be higher 6 months from now, I don't think we want to be selling into the rallies. We think fundamentally it's a reasonably supportive environment for risk assets. Don't forget all the central bank support. We still expect to get some sort of fiscal stimulus. The vaccine will come. So all these things are saying in 6 months, in a year, really things should be better. And I think that's the perspective you should have when you think about when you want to enter the market.